Well, Rob.
Okay, wait.
Let's go.
Go.
Come on, push it.
One more. Go.
Adults here, boys.
Sorry about that, but we love you, Rob.
Stop telling us up.
Yes.
Well done.
Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness me.
What's wrong? What?
Well, it's a beautiful baby boy. Little face. Did you see them?
Yeah, look, I got a meeting at 5. Hey, dorks.
กาแฟมาแล้วค่ะผู้จัดการกาแฟค่ะผู้จัดการคะ
ผู้จัดการกวนขึ้นทุกวันเพราะมีผู้จัดกวน
Attention. This is an official emergency alert for the population. At exactly 10:47 p.m. on Friday, the 13th of December 2024, an unusual and unexplained apparition was reported in downtown Villadrole, specifically at the place des Lucioles. The entity, now referred to as the Wario apparition, has been described as a short, stocky figure with a large, twisted mustache, wearing yellow and purple clothing. Witnesses report erratic movements, sudden appearances, and, most disturbingly, the presence of a distorted, echoing sound resembling a voice repeatedly saying, "Pause, wah wah." Authorities are treating this event with the utmost seriousness. Residents are advised to take the following precautions. 1. Do not approach the entity. It is currently classified as unstable and unpredictable. 2. Stay indoors. Lock all doors and windows. Close curtains or blinds to avoid direct visual contact. 3. Report any unusual sightings. If you see the entity or hear the distinct wah wah sound, contact emergency services immediately by calling 911 or the Bureau of Anomalous Phenomena at 1-800-666-WAHH. 4. Avoid loud noises and bright, reflective surfaces. Preliminary analysis suggests the entity may be drawn to areas of heightened audio or visual distortion. Local authorities, in collaboration with the Bureau of Anomalous Phenomena, have deployed response teams to investigate and contain the situation. The nature of the Wario apparition remains unknown at this time, and its motives, if any, are still unclear. The mayor of Villadrole, Lucette Dupont, has issued the following statement. Our city is facing an unprecedented situation. I urge all residents to stay calm, stay safe, and stay informed. We are doing everything we can to understand and control this phenomenon. Specialized audio and visual containment units are being mobilized. Further updates will be provided as new information becomes available. Until then, please remain indoors, stay alert, and report anything unusual. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test.
Wario.